What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be cleaning my hot mess of a house. It has gotten out of control and I was sick and tired of looking at it, so I decided that it was time to get some much needed cleaning done. Also, Nick took Riley to a birthday party, so for me this is the best time to get all of my cleaning done because I don't have to worry about anybody messing anything up after me. Let me know in the comment section what you find to be the best time to clean your house, especially if you have kids, because literally the game has completely changed trying to keep a clean home with kids. So definitely leave your comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys. But yeah, I'm literally just getting all the cleaning done, especially for stuff downstairs. I didn't have time to fully clean upstairs, but I will do that another time. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and let's start tackling this hot of a mess house. You wait and see if it's worth your The first thing I definitely wanted to tackle was this play mat that we have down for Riley, because it gets very messy easily, and it's been a while since I've taken it up, so I really wanted to clean underneath it and really mop all of the floors. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. But I do love it because I never have to worry about if she drops something or if she happens to fall or anything like that, because it does allow for a soft surface, especially since we do have hardwood floors. Riley got this chair for Christmas, and I'm not quite sure if I'm supposed to be taking it apart like this, but she spilled something on the front of it, so I really needed to get that clean. And talk about a messy couch. This is where we always hang out, so I did a much needed vacuuming of this couch. Just watch me The next room in our house that always gets messy very easily is going to be our kitchen, and we actually took and got rid of a bunch of different mugs. So that's basically what I'm doing, just putting the extra mugs that we're going to give away into a box. And the first thing I always like to do is literally just declutter everything. You can't really clean anything until you put everything back in its place. All you mamas out there, when you finally get a chance to get the house or some time to yourself, let me know what you guys like to do. Do you like to clean your house up, or are you more of let me lounge and watch my shows and just relax? Leave all your comments down below. I would love to know what you guys like to do when you finally get a second to yourself. finishing up with sweeping up all of the floors, and then I'm going in and mopping everything down. I didn't do anything too crazy. I just added some water and some Fabuloso into the bucket, and that's what I'm going to use to literally clean up everything. And then I did also decide to tackle our living room because I had some extra boxes and clothes and everything like that from my spring summer try on haul. So if you missed that video, I will link it up in the cards as well as down in the description bar. I have a whole bunch of affordable spring summer pieces that you will absolutely love, and everything is under $50.